This is the 7th tutorial in a series of Final Cut Beginners lessons. In this lesson you'll look at adding transitions. And by now you'll know the course material is downloaded, but if not, click the I above to access Lesson 1, which has the details. And if you've been keeping up with me, use your My First Edit project to follow from here, or else use completed Lesson 6 in the downloadable material. You'll double-click the project to open it in the timeline. As with titles, Final Cut Pro ships with many built-in transitions, and also, as with titles, you can purchase more and even access a number for free, and they're also known as plugins, just like titles. In this lesson I'll show you some, and you'll be able to try others for yourself. Transitions are selected at the far right of the middle menu bar, and they're visible when the button is blue and hidden when it's white. You'll see a sidebar with subheadings, and again there are different items on my computer than will be on yours. If you select it on all, you can type a term in the search field at the bottom. Let's look at adding transitions to the project. In the last lesson you added an opening title that was a little bit jarring when the first clip appeared in the video. Play through to see the jump to the first scene. As you hover over the thumbnail in the Transitions browser, you'll get a preview of what that transition's going to look like. Click on Dissolve in the sidebar and drag Cross Dissolve to the edit point between the opening title and clip number 4. Now play the opener again into the first part of the video, much smoother. There are a couple of other places where transitions may be useful. And a tip, just because you've got so many transitions to choose from, doesn't mean you have to use them. So be conservative in their use. Most editors stick with cross dissolve and fade to black to hide an edit point, though you could use some flashy transitions to announce a new subject. Let's look at both of these uses now. And you'll use fade to color between clips 12 and 15 because 12 has a crew in black and yellow and the crew in 15 are in blue. So these two scenes aren't continuous, and you need to indicate that to your audience so that there's a break in time. Fade to black is the convention to do that, but Final Cut calls it fade to color. Place the playhead on the edit point between 12 and 15, find fade to color in the dissolves, double-click fade to color, the transition's added to the edit point. Play the scene and you'll see that the transition is a little too short. So place the playhead on the transition and press Command plus twice and you'll see a bigger view. You can change the duration of the transition by dragging on its edges. Once you're happy with the length, press Command Z to return the timeline to fit in window. You'll now add a transition to indicate an important new scene is coming up. And this will be effective for the clip showing the winner crossing the line. Click on the edit point at the beginning of clip 19. In the transition sidebar, select the subheading Wipes. Double-click Chevron. Play it through. Click on the transition. There's a yellow outline. In the inspector, change the direction to down and expose edge treatment to solid color. Click on the black colored triangle. In the color wheel, click the eyedropper. Move it over the sky in the viewer and click to select a sky color. Now play back. In the next lesson, you'll look at how to use effects. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.